Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at something that could be a real game changer for anyone who loves the sound of cranked tube amp, but can't always play at ear-splitting volumes. This is the Bugera Power Soak PS1, a passive 100-watt power attenuator. So, what exactly is a power attenuator? Think of it like a volume knob for your speaker, but one that lets your amplifier's power section work hard and generate all that beautiful tube saturation and harmonic richness, while significantly reducing the actual sound pressure coming out of your speaker cabinet. You know that sweet spot on your tube amp where it just sings? Usually, that's when a master volume is up pretty high, or maybe there isn't a master volume at all, and you just have to turn it up loud. The Power Soak lets you hit that sweet spot on the amp itself, pushing the tubes into glorious overdrive, but then it soaks up a lot of that power before it gets to the speaker, letting you play at bedroom levels, rehearsal volumes, or even just slightly quieter gig volumes without sacrificing your tone. This Bugera PS1 is rated for up to 100 watts, which covers a huge range of popular guitar and bass amplifiers. It's a passive unit, meaning it doesn't need its own power supply, which keeps things simple. One of the really practical features is the multi-impedance input. It has connections for 4, 8, and 16 ohms, so you can match it up with virtually any amplifier and speaker cabinet combination you're likely to encounter. You just connect your amp speaker output to the corresponding input on the Power Soak, and then connect the Power Soak speaker output to your cabinet. Beyond just reducing volume, the PS1 offers some useful outputs. There's a line output with its own dedicated level control. This is great if you want to send a signal to another amp, a mixer, or an audio interface for reamping later. But perhaps even more useful is the emulated mic output. This output is designed to mimic the sound of a microphone placed in front of a speaker cabinet. You can send this directly to a mixing board for live sound or straight into your recording interface. It's a quick and easy way to get a cab-simulated tone without needing microphones or impulse responses, which is super convenient for recording demos or getting a consistent sound live. The unit itself feels solid. It's housed in a metal chassis, finished in gray, which looks pretty understated and durable. It's a simple box with a few connectors and knobs, built to do one job well. And Bugera backs it up with their 3-year warranty program, which is always reassuring. Using the Power Soak is straightforward. You dial in your amp's tone at the volume you want the amp to be working at internally. Then use the attenuation level on the PS1 to bring the speaker volume down to where you need it. It allows you to explore the full tonal range of your amplifier, from clean headroom to pushed breakup and full saturation, all at manageable volumes. For anyone who loves the feel and sound of a tube amp being pushed, but is limited by volume constraints, something like the Bugera Power Soak PS1 is definitely worth considering. It really does let you tame that tube amp beast and get those ultimate overdriven tones without the noise complaint.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.